Hi, I'm Paul Maggiore with Maggiore Inspections. Thanks for watching this short video where I'm going to discuss reverse polarity in the home. Improper or careless wiring of receptacles or outlets is the most common electrical defect found in a typical home. Improperly wired outlets are a potential shock hazard and can cause electrical equipment to work much harder. Much of today's electronic devices, such as TVs, stereos, VCRs, and computers, have a three-prong receptacle with the device wiring looking for power from one direction of the outlet. Improper wiring may cause the device to prematurely fail. All receptacles should be wired such that the hot or live black lead is connected to a specific side of the outlet, and the neutral white lead to the other. A switch on an appliance you plug into an outlet, as well as your home, will open and close on the hot side. So when the switch is off, there will be no voltage inside the device or the receptacle. On a typical receptacle, the hot side is the smaller of the two openings. Likewise, the neutral is the wider of the two. A cord where it mates to the appliance will have one of the prongs wider, so the hot and neutral sides line up correctly. Reverse polarity, or hot-neutral reverse, occurs when the hot black and the neutral white wire connections are reversed. The hot wire must be connected to the brass screw, while the neutral wire is connected to the silver screw. Now, some older outlets do not have these colored screws, and you should consider upgrading to avoid any confusion. Open ground receptacles indicate that the bare copper wire in the sheathed cable is not connected to the green screw on the receptacle. It also occurs frequently in older homes, originally wired with a two-wire system, knob and tube or duplex wiring, where an upgrade has included a three-prong receptacle. This is an unsafe practice and does not comply with current electrical codes, which requires that original and replacement outlets be grounded correctly. If grounding does not exist, the outlet must be replaced with a two-prong non-grounding receptacle or a three-prong GFCI, ground fault circuit interrupter. The three-prong GFCI receptacle must also be marked as no equipment ground. In some installations, the ground bare copper wire may have been connected to the metal receptacle box, in which case some homeowners use an adapter connected to the cover screw of the outlet to achieve a ground. This is an unreliable method and is against most electrical codes. It is much safer to upgrade to a three-prong receptacle with the ground wire connected directly to the receptacle. Note that some small appliances, such as radios and lamps, do not require a ground. An open neutral receptacle does not have a neutral wire connected. Electrical current works on the simple principle that the hot carries current to the receptacle and back via the neutral wire in a closed system. In open neutral installations, the circuit is completed through the ground wire, which is intended to be the secondary path. In older installations, the neutral is shared by the opposing hot leg of the 240 volt service, and this results in erratic voltages which could damage electrical equipment and pose a potential shock hazard. Hot ground reversed is a very dangerous situation. The receptacle enclosure and housing of the equipment plug into the receptacle may be energized. In this case, your body can possibly complete the circuit to the ground. To correct these wiring problems, the receptacle must be removed from its box and wired correctly. As with any electrical work, it is best left to a licensed electrical contractor. This contractor should turn off all power to the outlet and verify the power has been cut off to the outlet before attempting to make the repair. Once the outlet is de-energized, the hot black wire will be connected to the brass screw, or the side with the narrow prong. The neutral white wire will be connected to the silver screw, or the side with the wider prong. And the ground bare wire will be connected to the green screw. I hope you've enjoyed this short video and picked up some useful information about reverse polarity. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact our company. We can be reached at 941-815-0214. For Maggiore Inspections, I'm Paul Maggiore. Thanks again for watching, and have a great day.